Recently, we can see people are making AI short videos and getting views in millions. Like this channel that got 197k subscribers with only 60 videos, look at the total views. This channel got 2.81 million subscribers with only 33 videos and 500 million plus views, and at last look at this channel that got more than 4 million plus subscribers with 128 videos and 1 billion plus total views. Even if we consider 50 cents per 1,000 views, these AI channels are making a fortune without showing their face or voice. In today's video, I will show you how to make this type of video from scratch for free. At the last of the video, I will show you a secret technique that will surely make your channel monetize within 1 month, so watch till last and don't skip. For the first step, you need to decide what kind of AI avatar you are going to use. Like this channel used cows, this one used rabbits, and this one used birds. You have to use a character that will make your channel different from others. When someone sees your videos, they can tell that it is yours. Let's choose a little puppy. For the second step, we need a good script that will hook the viewers easily. You can make the script with ChatGPT from scratch, or for this we can go on YouTube and search for a popular video that already got good views like this one. Now see what kind of story the video has. Note it on a notepad and tell ChatGPT to make a similar script with the prompt with puppy and wait. After getting the script and prompt, go to Leonardo AI and sign up. You get 150 tokens every day for free. It costs you 24 tokens to make one image, so you can make around 6 images daily with free version. 6 images will be enough for making one video. If you run out of tokens, use a different account. Now let's go and put the prompts in Leonardo and generate images. Copy the prompt and paste it and hit generate and wait. Look at these realistic images. Now do it for rest of the prompts. Now as all the images have been made, it's time to convert them into videos. There are several websites that converts images into videos, but today we are going to use Google's VO2, which is free. Go to Google and search Google AI Studio. Go to Generate Media and then VO. Now we need to go to ChatGPT and ask it to make prompts to animate the images. Write "Give me prompt" for each image to make them into videos. Wait, then copy those prompts and go to VO2, upload your images and add the prompt. In few minutes the beautiful video is ready to use. Now do the same thing for all the images one by one. After all the videos are ready, go to CapCut and import those. Put all the videos one by one. Adjust them a little bit and add background music if you want. Export the video. There you have it. Like this you can make as many videos as you want. And for the secret trick, upload your videos in different time of the day to see in which time your videos are getting more recommended and views. Check where your viewers are from in the YouTube studio. Use reference from those countries, like famous place, monument, famous people. It is more likely they will like and subscribe if they see anything they can relate to. So that's it for today. If you learned anything from this video, like and subscribe for more AI and tech related videos.